Why in the world would someone want to take on the daunting task of building their own CNC machine? Well, you've seen the commercial CNC machines online. They look great, but the price tag, not so much. Most people think that buying pre-built is the only way to get pro-level results, but I'm here to tell you why building your own from plans is actually a smarter move. Here are the top 5 reasons to go DIY. Number 1, customization. When you buy commercial, you're stuck with their footprint. When you build from plans, you choose the scale. Whether you need a compact benchtop unit or a half-sheet powerhouse, building from plans means the machine fits your shop, not the other way around. Number 2, the price. Commercial brands have massive markups for assembly, shipping, and marketing. By building it yourself, every dollar you spend goes directly into higher quality motors, spindles, and controllers. You get a prosumer machine for a fraction of the retail cost. Reason 3 is knowledge. If a commercial machine breaks, you're waiting hours, days, or sometimes weeks for a technician or tech support. But when you build it, you are the technician. You know every bolt, every wire, and every setting. If you want to upgrade it later, you already know exactly how. Number 4, no proprietary red tape. Many commercial machines lock you into their specific software or expensive replacement parts. Building from plans gives you the freedom to use the controllers and software you prefer, like the rock-solid Masso system, without being held hostage by a manufacturer's ecosystem. And finally, number 5, pride. There's nothing like the feeling of watching a machine you built with your own hands carve out your first project. It's not just a tool, it's a testament to your craftsmanship. So stop settling for off the shelf and start building exactly what you need. Click the link to grab the Gatton CNC 2.0 plans and let's get your shop moving. I'm Dave Gatton and I'll see you in the shop.